Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data handling skills with Apache Spark, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the significance of data handling in today's digital landscape. Recognize that Apache Spark is a powerful tool for processing large datasets efficiently. Start by downloading and installing Apache Spark on your machine. Choose the appropriate version that matches your operating system. Make sure you have Java and Scala installed, as they are prerequisites for running Spark. Once installed, configure the environment variables for Spark. Launch the Spark shell to familiarize yourself with its interactive features. Explore Spark's core concepts, such as RDDs, data frames, and datasets. Understand how to create RDDs from existing data or by loading data from external sources. Learn to perform transformations on RDDs, including map, filter, and reduce operations. Next, experiment with data frames for structured data analysis. Load data into data frames using various file formats, such as CSV, JSON, and Parquet. Utilize Spark SQL to run queries on data frames using SQL-like syntax. Practice manipulating data frames with functions like select, group by, and join. Delve into the concept of lazy evaluation and understand its benefits in optimizing performance. Explore Spark's machine learning library, MLib, for data modeling and predictive analytics. Follow tutorials to implement common machine learning algorithms, such as linear regression and decision trees. Experiment with Spark streaming to process real-time data streams. Learn how to set up a streaming context and define data sources, such as Kafka or sockets. Understand the importance of monitoring and tuning Spark jobs for performance. Explore Spark's built-in web UI to analyze metrics and troubleshoot issues. Lastly, continue practicing by participating in open-source projects or contributing to Spark communities. Apply your skills to real-world projects to enhance your learning and portfolio. With consistent practice and experimentation, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.